So this was the first lot of cladding to go on. My boss put this on to see how well it sat. It needed a few alterations, but once he was happy, we were able to tackle round the back. So this is the first side that is complete. My boss did the tricky bits. I've yet to use the jigsaw cutter, but he did these ones. And he's also built like a little wooden sill which is just attached in there so it doesn't go missing. And that will go there. Then I cut all these short panels and those short panels for the middle section there and put those in. We finished off this side. So the next side to do will be around here. A few windows and tricky sections, but there's more room than here. So, well, it's been fun. I had a lot of fun using the circular saw. But yeah, no, I'm really pleased with how this turned out. My friend said it looks quite Scandinavian, I wasn't really going for some kind of any sort of style, but I am super chuffed with how it turned out. Okay, fine. Say hi. So, as I might have said in a previous video, my plan is in the bathroom is to resin lots of bottle caps, which will go from like one end to the other, which is about just under about 2 meters 4 or 2 meters 0.4. So I'm going to need a lot. But the catch is I want them all to be different, so I want no duplicates. My plan would be to have like this little laminated thing saying, oh, can you find like all the, I guess, Hobgoblin bottle caps or the Iron Maiden ones, or can you find all the ones with this design? So this is what I have so far. Right, the cat tail. So here I've got all the Iron Maiden bottle caps I have so far. There's still a lot more to get, and I think this is like a rough guide. Hello. Hello. Hi. Okay, yeah, you go to bed. Good night. So that's what I have so far. So I still need to get the blue Hobgoblin one, but I've got those. I think there's a lighter blue, and also got that one. So these are the other ones I have so far. It's getting there slowly, but I do know I'm going to need a lot. Last night friends and family to keep an eye out for me, and I think I'm going to try and email some breweries and see what they say. It's kind of a thing where if you don't ask, you never get. But yeah, no, they're cool. I do like them.